Hola guys, it's Mom Dix here, and it's just a quick video of the battery. It finally came, I guess, whatever. So, as you see, this is a Mighty Max battery. Just basic. It is a deep cycle rechargeable battery. So we're going to see if this is what's going to power and get my inverter together. So, the instruction says that plug your negative cable to your negative battery. That's there. I don't like the connection. And then the positive to the positive. The spot. I think it should have been the other way around. Because when I do my battery, that's how it is. So we don't know if we got power. So the way that you check to see if you have power. Let's see, I don't know if you guys can see. Heard the noise? I guess trying to plug up your device. So here's it goes for nothing. So, let's see. So I can show you guys what exactly is. So I'm not for sure. Light is still on. I don't know. See if we get power. Oh, it does something. Did y'all hear it? So it's saying like 25%. It's not overloading. That's a good thing. And all I did was just cut the setting down in the refrigerator just to see. Because you don't need the setting up real high. And this should be able to click on and off without a problem. Now the only thing about this that I don't like is as far as my clamps on the battery itself, I may try to change those out into different plugs so that it can be more to where it slides on the battery, as you guys see. Because this is more so look like it's designed for like a top post or something you could actually clamp on a post versus the slide-in batteries. So we'll see. I'm gonna leave this going and let you guys know about this product. This is Mighty Max battery. This is 12 volt by 12 amp hours. So hopefully this does the job because I'm only charging just my fridge and it's a little bitty small, very small Tech Life portable. Okay guys, so as you saw, I just showed you the Mighty Max battery. It's 12 volt and 12 amp hour time. It was supposed to came about 2 Wednesdays ago. The company is trying to make right by, you know, making sure that I received the product because it was like delayed and something happened to it. I'm not for sure. I just trying to keep you guys posted within me doing my van build and showing you guys all the elements of the van build. And shout out, I guess, to Mighty Max because now I can really see how my refrigerator hold up, how it does, how this worked to where I can be able to share with you guys if those were smart purchases. Because I'm not like trying to like live off the grid. I just want to make my camping a little bit more comfortable, if you get my drift. Because I don't mind sleeping in a tent. I don't mind being on the ground. I don't mind any of those things. But I'm getting a little older and I just want a little bit more comfort, if y'all get me. So, again, I'll have the full description of this where I purchased it at, how much. And I mean, it did take a little bit of a time to get to me, but I feel the overall rating of the product, meaning how the product stand, how it uphold, and if it does what it's designed to do. Because remember guys, I told you this is a deep cycle battery. Just got it just out the box. You guys just saw me install it. So like I said, we gonna just see what it do, see if it hold up. You know, I guess time will tell. That's all I can say. If we all got that, time will tell. And again guys, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for tuning in. You know, I always say gracias, gracias, gracias. You know I love you guys. And again, if you don't believe in my God, believe in the God of Abraham. Believe in the God of Isaac. Believe in the God of Jacob. Because it seems like their predictions is ringing true. And again, guys, remember, this is Mom's Duke community, which is your community. If you're subscribed, and if you're not yet subscribed, go on and hit the subscribe button. And if this is not for you, I am very sorry. But I'ma still be Mom Dukes, and I'ma still issue the content. True, factual, and just keeping it real and making it make sense. So again, guys, I may not be for everybody, but do like I do. Sip your tea, look at it, and keep it moving. So from Mom Duke's couch in her corner to your couch, your living room, your bathroom, wherever you at in your room, deuces.